Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, July 30th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So the US dollar yen did end up breaking that structure to the downside that I was talking about yesterday evening, and that to me pretty much proves that this whole trend from here to here is over. Now that means we only have two options. Either it's going to now make a correction to this whole trend, likely going someplace between 38 and 78%, and then continuing up, or this really is like the end of a correction on the higher time frames, and now we're in a complete trend reversal. Based on my, really high time frame analysis, like the weekly, monthly, and daily, I really wouldn't be surprised if this is actually going to just keep on going down and making new lows now. I am very, very bearish the dollar index. So there is a pretty good chance that now that we have this break of structure, it may just keep on going down. We have FOMC interest rate news this evening, and I will be live streaming on YouTube starting 30 minutes before the news comes out. So make sure you stop in to get your latest analysis on all your favorite pairs. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.